Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of September. So right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is booming. We are up about 4%, which is very nice, green day. In the past 24 hours, our top gainer is going to be TrueFi, which is up about 29%. Highest volume, like usual, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is booming, guys. We're doing very well, and we might see another rally coming up. And we'll talk about some details that are causing this rally as well towards the end of this video, so stick around for that. So Bitcoin is up about 4.45% right now. It is trading at around this 47,000 area. We see it on the uptrend all day long. 38 billion here in volume. Ethereum is trading around this 3,400 area, up about 3% or so. And then obviously all these other altcoins are either up or down about 2% or so. And we see some outliers that are up, 5, 10, 15% as well, or down about 5% as well. So what's moving this market? Well, we'll get into that right now, but before we get into it, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we can do a video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description, and check out our merch. We just launched our shop, so check that out. Link in the description as well. Let's get into it. So first altcoin on this list is going to be Chainlink. So this one is one of those slow and steady wins the race type situations. It is a coin that, I would personally be looking to hold for a long-term hold, maybe 5, 10, 15 plus years. So Chainlink right now, it is up about 10% in the past 24 hours, doing very, very well, trading at $30.04. In the past week, this one is up about 6.32% right now. In the past month, 10%. Past year, 174%. Now, in the crypto space, this might be, a smaller gain, I guess you could say, because some of these other altcoins are booming 100, 200% in a matter of a month. So this might seem like a little bit of a loser, but Chainlink is still performing very well. 174% gain in a year. I would take that in a heartbeat on any, investment pretty much. So it went from $10 all the way to here to highs of $53 in May. Pulled back down all the way to about $13 in July. And then since this $13 area, we're up over 100% plus just since then. So in a matter of about a month and a half, we hit this high, pulled back down. Now we're seeing a consolidation with an uptrend right there. And this one is lagging behind the rest of the market, like we just said. So this one could continue this boom on higher. Market cap right now in Chainlink is at around 13.7 billion, volume at 2 billion, typical hold time 68 days, and then the trading activity is 56% buy, 44% sell, and it's ranked number 10. So Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to the external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Chainlink, obviously one of those coins that's been more popular in the recent years, and as it is ranked in the top 10, obviously, it gets more volume, more views, and more people are looking into it. And it is only around $30, and that's something that people kind of look forward to, even though the price of the actual coin doesn't really matter. It's the market cap of the actual coin. And with this one being at $30, it looks like it's a cheaper coin, even though the market cap is at around 13 billion. So people might buy this coin just because it looks like it's cheap on the, actual price target right there that we see at $30. So Chainlink, definitely want to be adding to your radar to see how it's going to perform in the near future. Second altcoin on our list is going to be Filecoin, FIL. This one doing very nice here going into Wednesday morning. It is up about 5.36%, trading at $82.60. In the past week, this one is down about 2.22%. In the past month, it is up about 13.8%. We hit highs here of over $120 in the beginning of September. Then we pulled back down. Now we're consolidating with another hopefully uptrend. So in the past year, this one is up 361%. We saw it as low as $18 last year. Hit highs here in March at 237, 236 right there. So that's about a 200% upside that we see from the current area, just to get back to those areas in the future. So 200% upside, huge upside, obviously. Hit lows down here, $41 again, and then up about 100% since then right now. So 8.8 billion market cap on Filecoin, 956.1 million volume. Typical hold time is 12 days with the popularity rank at number 17. This one is a 54% buy right now, trading activity, 46% sell. Filecoin is a cryptocurrency that powers the Filecoin network, a decentralized peer-to-peer file storage network that aims to let anyone store, retrieve, and host digital information. FIL tokens are used as payments for these services and as an economic incentive to ensure files are stored reliably over time. So obviously, the security is, their number one priority right there for you, making sure that everything is reliable for you, which is obviously a good thing. And with this one being once again under that 10 billion market cap, that's a positive sign, because even if it comes back to all-time highs, we will be trading at around a 30 billion, less than 30 billion, probably around 25 billion market cap, which is still kind of not too crazy. In my opinion, anything over 50 billion is kind of like ranked high. Anything under 50 billion still has a lot of potential to run in the future. As we look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin's at around 800, 900 billion. Ethereum is around a 350, 400 billion market cap. So there's plenty of room for it to grow before it catches up to those big dogs. So Filecoin, definitely another one to add to your radar, guys, as it has a lot of potential in the future. And then last but not least, the third coin on our list is going to be Theta. So Theta gang, let me see that thing, Theta gang in the comments below, guys. This one is up about 8.24%, trading at $6.73 right now. On the 1 week chart, it is down about 3.5%. In the past month, down 6.8% with highs of over 975. In the past 1 year right here, we're up about 1,238%, as we saw it trading here at 56 cents in September of last year, hitting highs here in April at about $16 almost, pulled back down all the way to lows of about $3, $3.50 here in July. And then obviously since then, we're up about 100% obviously in the past month or so, with a pullback here in September going on after that bull market rally that we saw pretty much with Ethereum, Bitcoin, and everything else. And then we saw a cool off. So market cap right now, 6.7 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 276.8 million. And then the circulating supply is obviously at around 1 billion. So Theta is definitely one of those popular coins, and definitely one to be watching in the future, as this market cap is kind of in that middle area at around 6.7 billion on the lower side. Has a lot of potential in my opinion, because this coin was trading at around what, $15-16. So we have over 100% upside before we hit those all-time highs again. And I would not be surprised to see that, as this coin is already up about 1,200% just in the past year. We hit these highs, pulled back down, we're cooling off and hoping for another uptrend in the future in the altcoin space, and obviously everything else as well. So that's definitely something we're going to be watching and very interested in. So guys, those are the three altcoins. Now what we're going to be doing is looking at the rest of the market to see how everything is performing, and also we're going to be talking about why we might be seeing a Bitcoin or a crypto bull rally. Meanwhile, the stock market might be seeing a little bit of a cool off. So let's get into that first. So Bitcoin right now rallying, and let's see what is behind that. So this one is up about 4.45%, all the way from lows of 45,000 yesterday, all the way to about 47,000 right now. In the past week, it's flat. In the past month, it's flat as well. And then on the 1 year chart, 337% higher. But this is nice. We're coming back up to those, that 50,000 area, that kind of a resistance area. Now, the reasoning, we had the CPI data come out on Tuesday morning. Inflation, lower numbers than expected, and that's kind of a positive thing. Then we saw the treasury yields and different things, how they're performing as well. Stock market cooling off a little bit because of inflation fears, and, fears that growth is not going to be as good as it was in the past. So we're seeing a lot of stocks pull back down. The market's been pulling back down for the past few weeks. It's been not booming like it was before. So what we might see is people transition out of stocks a little bit and get into crypto as a safer hedge against inflation, pretty much. At least that's what I'm predicting or seeing, and from the charts that I'm looking at and just the information that I'm seeing. So I feel like a lot of people are going to be getting into crypto now as a kind of like a hedge for a safer alternative in case we see a crypto, or actually a stock market crash or a pullback, I guess, in the stock market. So that's definitely something that's very interesting, and I think we might be seeing another bull rally here in the crypto space in the near few months. So definitely something interesting. Leave a comment below letting me know, what do you think? Do you think that has anything to do with what is going on right now in the market? Leave a comment below and I'll reply to your comment. Now, this one is at a 886.3 billion market cap. Right now, 86-day typical hold time, 69% buy, 31% sell. Bitcoin, we're hoping for it to come back up to that 50,000 area this week. It'll be very, very nice to come back. Obviously, we saw it, pump on up, pull back down, consolidate. It'll be nice to see that run up because it will push altcoins and everything else as well. Ethereum is up about 3%, trading at around this 3,400 area from lows of about 3,200. Now, in the past week, it's flat. Past month, it's up about 4% with those highs at 4,000 that we saw. And then on the 1 year chart, it is up 835% from $384 last year all the way to $3,400 right now. Market cap currently in Ethereum is around 400.5 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 19.2 billion, and then the typical hold time 82 days. Trading activity 66% buy, 34% sell. Ethereum still doing very well, obviously at the same levels pretty much we've been trading at for about a month and a half or so, but it is a little bit on the higher side. So this is very nice. We might be seeing another, rally like we said in the crypto space, and definitely Ethereum will follow that same pattern. Doge, guys, Doge is up about 1% or so. This one's been pretty much, on the downtrend in the past week, down 5%, past month, 18% down, past year, up 8,300%. But obviously from those lows of 16 cents, we're only up about 50% or so in the past few months, so past 2 months. So this one, in my opinion, I think it's game over for Doge, and we might even stop covering Doge because it doesn't seem to be as popular as it used to be. You guys let me know if you want to see Doge content or not. 31.5 billion market cap right now on Doge. Let's see what happens with it, and then let's take a look at Solana real quick. So Solana is making a huge pullback. So we saw this one hit highs here of about $216 actually when the crash happened. So everything crashed except Solana. Solana pulled back and then shot on higher during that crash, hit highs, and now we're pulling back. We're down about $58 or almost $60 since the high that we saw. So this is a slight pullback right now. We might be seeing a little bit of a cool off here with Solana as this chart, it's shot on high. Now we might be seeing a pullback a little bit, and then hopefully a consolidation area going into the end of the month around this 150 area, 140 possibly, and then hopefully another trend on higher. We're going to keep a very close eye on Solana to see how it performs in the near future as well, as it is one of our favorite coins and one of those greener coins that we definitely want to keep an eye out on for the future. So guys, let me know, what do you think about all these altcoins? What do you think is going to happen in the crypto market? Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are in the description, and check out our merch shop as well. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor before investing. Do your own due diligence, and remember, don't invest into something that you don't understand. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.